there is no point spending money on a wig that you're not going to use. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I am going to be dropping weekly videos, hair tutorials, processes, discussions like this. So if you're looking to up your wig game, or you're interested in how things work when it comes to wig, or you simply just want to learn how to maintain your wigs, you are in the right place. So make sure you turn on your post notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. So guys, in this video, I want to discuss with you guys the 5 things that you need to consider before buying a wig. As we know, wigs are not cheap. Even the cheapest ones are not cheap. So you want to make sure you're putting your money in the right place. So number 1 is your lifestyle. You need to decide whether your routine can handle a certain type of lace. So for example, if you're going for a frontal wig and you know that you're not going to have time to kind of style it in the morning, that might not be the best choice. You might want to go for a closure wig that is easier to just put on and go, but still looks really nice. Or you know, you want to decide, okay, is this wig going to be more for occasions or something that you want to wear daily? So if you're going for an occasional wig, you might want to go for a frontal wig, because you can easily get somebody to install it for you so it looks nice and clean. Or if it's something that you want to wear daily, you need something that you can easily throw on and go. Or if you know that you're somebody that can, you know, handle all of that work in the morning when it comes to your hair, you can wear a frontal every day. Are you someone that knows how to curl your hair? Like, is it something that you're going to be able to do to get a particular look every day? Or you might want to go for a curly hair. If you like curly hair, you might want to go for curly hair that you don't need to style every day, but still you're able to get the look that you want. Number 2 is your personal style. You need to choose a wig that fits your personal style. A lot of times I feel like people see wigs on the internet or somebody else and they feel like, yeah, I like it, but sometimes when they try it on, it doesn't quite suit them. It might suit their face, but it needs to also suit who you are. So for me, I feel like I'm more comfortable with subtle colors, not too bright, and I'm just more comfortable there. It's not because it doesn't suit me. A lot of times it will suit my face, but it's not really me. So you need to know what your personal style is. Are you somebody that like long hair? Are you somebody that like short hair? Do you like curly hair? Do you like bright colors? Sometimes when it comes to color, I feel like it's a confidence thing as well. Like, are you confident enough to wear a pink wig, or you would rather stay subtle and nice but still look really good? And yeah, so you need to know who you are, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. You don't have to wear everything on the market. You just need to know what suits you so that you're confident in that way. Are you somebody that like a side part? Are you somebody that like a middle part? I personally prefer a side part, not because the middle part doesn't suit me. It does. I feel like it does, but I'm more comfortable with the side part. That's just where I'm more comfortable. I do wear middle part sometimes, but I'm more comfortable on the side part, really. So yeah, you need to decide, you know, are you somebody that suits a side part? Sometimes it suits your face and your stylist will be like, yeah, it suits you, looks good, but you might not be comfortable with it. So because you're the one that's going to be wearing the wig, so it needs to suit your personality, okay? And number 3 is quality. So you need to pick a wig based on your budget. I mean, personally, I would say invest in a good wig. Invest in a quality wig with good hair. In terms of budget, you can go for a synthetic wig or you can go for human hair. I will always advise you go for human hair because it's just more versatile. You're able to, you know, change the style. You can wear it wavy, you can wear it straight, you can wear it middle part, you can wear it side part, depending on the lace that you're going for. And then also you need to decide what lace do you want to go for. HD lace are usually thinner and they blend with your skin a lot better, but they are usually a lot more expensive. Or you can go for a transparent lace. They're usually thicker. A lot of times they last longer, but they don't look as sleek as the HD lace. So you need to know what's your budget and, you know, how do you want to look with that budget, or save your money and get something good that can last you for years and look really good. Number 4 is texture. So you need to choose your wig based on, you know, whether you want to match it to your hair or you just prefer something completely different. So you might be somebody that like more natural textures because you like the volume, or that is simply just your personal style. Or you might be somebody that like more of like a straight, sleek look. So you need to make that decision as well. Like, are you looking to get something like a kinky straight? This is a kinky straight wig. It has like a lot of texture to it. It's not very sleek. So do you like those sort of natural textures, or do you want something more sleek? So, and then also texture and plays into maintenance as well. So with straight hair, I feel like it's easier to maintain. You can just brush and go. With curly hair, it's a little bit harder. You might need to wet it, moisturize it, because it can get dry quite quickly. So you can choose your texture as well based on what you can maintain, which is ultimately also your lifestyle. Number 5 is consultation and fitting. There is no point spending money on a wig that you're not going to use. I've seen people buy wigs online. I'm not against it because I'm online, so I hope somebody will buy a wig from me. But you know, I would advise that you go through consultation just so that your hairstylist or your wig specialist or wig maker can help you make these decisions based on, you know, how you answer certain questions. Do you understand? They can help you choose what's best for you based on all the other points that I've mentioned: your lifestyle, your personal style, the quality that you want, or the texture that you like. And then also getting a consultation helps to, you know, choose a wig that fits your head well. That is very important. The way your wig looks depends on how it fits. If you have a wig that's too big for your head, but you have smaller features, it's just gonna look wiggy. It's going to look like you're wearing a wig. But if you go to a specialist, they'll be able to make that wig to fit your head so it suits your face. Basically, if you have a smaller features, you don't need too much hair, because then it's just going to be too thick. A lot of the wigs on the internet, they are made for the masses. They're not made for you. So you might want to get something that is made for you. And making that decision is, you need to get a consultation so that somebody can help you come to that decision. And don't get me wrong, this might be more expensive. In fact, a lot of times it's more expensive, but I promise you, it is always worth it in the end, because it's also always, you know, it's comforting to know that I can go to Blessing. Because if my wig doesn't fit right, hello Blessing, my wig is not sitting right, how can I fix it? You know, there's a bit of confidence in knowing that you can go back to that person to help you with whatever issues you might be having with your wig. But when you buy it on the internet, a lot of times you just add it to the pile and that's it, you're looking for the next one. So I will urge you to get a consultation with a wig specialist to help you decide, you know, what wig will suit your needs. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. The 5 things that you need to know before buying your first wig. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and share, and also let me know in the comments below if you bought a wig already. What are your challenges with this wig? You know, how are you finding it so far? Are you enjoying it? Do you feel like it doesn't suit you? Do you feel like you need something else? Let me know in the comments. If there's anything else you would like to know from me, guys, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.